Hey everyone, Lee here from Martin Property Group with my weekly real estate market update. I hope you're having a great week. Guys, check it out this week at martinutzi.com.au. Got the blog there uploaded. A lot of information every week coming through there, guys, so make sure you are subscribed there if you're interested in the real estate market and what's going on across the nation, but locally here as well on the Sunshine Coast. What was interesting in the news articles that I read this week was immigration numbers, so long-term and permanent residents coming into Australia. September quarter, close to 150,000 people, and for the year alone, close to 450,000 people. So that's significant numbers, which clearly is going to boost demand for both rentals and purchasing. So the supply-demand situation doesn't look like it's going to improve based on these migration numbers coming into Australia. And those migration numbers are predicted to be at that level again next year and the year after, or potentially even higher. And looking at the build approvals or new build approvals coming through, there simply isn't enough supply to keep up with that demand. And a lot of homeowners that have established properties really aren't looking to sell their property, because the problem is, if they sell, where are they going to buy? And a lot of the homeowners I'm speaking to would like the idea of moving, but they know there's limited supply out there, and to find a suitable replacement can be quite challenging. So that's what we're going to experience in the market leading into 2024 as well. Now, we've obviously got the cash rate increase happening, and that's dampened some spirits in the buying space since that happened on Melbourne Cup Day. But now we've moved beyond that. I think it's going to pick up here for the next few weeks leading up to Christmas, because again, simply for those buyers that are actively looking, another rate increase means their borrowing capacity will be reduced, and that could potentially happen in December. Probably less likely to happen early next year, maybe in February, if anything. But with that another cash rate rise, that reduces borrowing capacity. So there's going to be a lot of buyers out there now actively looking to get into the market before that happens. They're also seeing the numbers that prices are rising. So obviously they don't want to wait until next year when the prices could potentially be higher. All predictions are saying at the moment that the prices still are going to climb into next year, just perhaps at a more moderate pace. So that's pretty interesting. The government did announce this week for first home buyers an increase. So they're going to double the first home buyers grant as of June 30th next year, I believe. So they'll probably open applications early next year in January as well. So that's for first home buyers that are buying a new build home of a value up to $750,000. So I've got my opinions about that as well, but that is released this week as well. So interesting stuff there. Looking across the markets, everyone was saying when that cash rate started to increase that this year was going to be a bit of a crash and prices would drop 10, 20, 30%. And we haven't seen that. We've actually seen prices rebound up to almost historical levels again this year. So they're defying all odds. Even though the cash rate's going up, prices are still rising, and it really boils down to lack of supply and a huge increasing number of people looking for properties to rent and purchase as well. So I don't expect that to slow, guys. That's my weekly real estate market update. As always, if there's anything we can help you with, please get in touch and give me a call.